Hey YouTuber, welcome to another healthy cooking video. Today we are going to try to make Nando's peri peri chicken and I will be using chicken wings. So let's do that. So I'm just adding all the chicken on the bowl. And in terms of the ingredients for the marinating purposes, I'm not going to use too many things as usual. So lemon, plenty of lemon, and I mean it, loads of lemon. In here I have taken about a medium size 1.5 piece of lemons. Okay, now let me wash my hands. Okay, so now peri peri sauce, Nando's, bought it from Tesco. I normally don't like the taste of it, but I'm just gonna add very little touch because it smells. I do not really like it, so I just added a little bit, probably 1/4 of teaspoons, and also I'm just gonna add some salt in here. I have about 1/4 of chicken wings here, 1.25 kilograms here. And the secret ingredients I normally use is this. This is a Maggi noodles 2 minutes spices, or probably flavorings. I have taken out from a noodles box. That's it. No, not from shop or anywhere else. Just bought from, taken out from the noodles pack. So now I'm going to add them. Okay, so that's all we need for our chicken wings, Nando's chicken wings. I don't know what recipe they use, but I have tried this and I got exactly same flavor as Nando's has. So I use it, and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do that as well. So now my mix has been completed. You don't have to really mix very well done. But thoroughly would be great help to marinate the chicken wings very well. So try thoroughly. If you can't, don't worry about it. End of the day, this is what you're gonna eat. The taste is matter. On this, I'm not using any turmeric powder or any other spices that will make the chicken a bit colorish, but this will not give me that much color, and I don't worry about the color because Nando's, they don't worry about the color. It's all down to the taste. So I'm just gonna use this wrapper, aluminium foil, to wrap this chicken, and I will keep this at least 3 to 4 hours in the normal fridge. That's it, and then I will show you how to do the rest. So friends, after 3 to 4 hours later of marinating my chicken wings, as you can see, I have placed them into my grill pan. Now I'm going to put them into my oven, and we'll go from there. I will try to cook very slow heat, not too much, so it doesn't actually burn. Friend, while our chicken wings are in the oven, we are trying to make some salad. So we have this lovely sweet and crunchy salad. That's we're going to have. And now some onions in there and some cucumber. So that's our salad for chicken wings Nando's. Viewer, as you can see, it's ready and it's ready to eat. So thank you so much for being with us. Feel free to subscribe for next video and do not forget to like, share with others. And until next video, bye for now.